Hi there, students. Negate, to negate a verb, and the noun of it, negation. Okay, this is all linked to the word negative. Okay, so negate. We use this to mean that something causes something to not have any effect. So, yes, the increase in our profits was negated by rising inflation. Inflation rose, and the real effect was that we earned the same amount. The workers received a pay rise, but this was negated by an increase in taxes. Okay, so it was nullified, it was made void, it was invalidated or made ineffective. Okay, and this is one of our meanings with negate. We can also use to negate to mean to deny the existence of, to contradict. So the evidence negates what he says happened. It just can't have happened. Okay, it denies the possibility that this happened like this. It denies the existence of this, or it denies the truth of. Okay, so the evidence negates what he said. It just shows that it's wrong. It shows that it's the opposite of what was thought, or to cause something to have no effect. Okay, so let's see. People claimed that this was very good for health, but the research negated these claims. We also use this to negate as a grammatical word, negation. In grammar, to make something negative. So in English, we use do not to negate verbs. This is a negation. It's a negative statement. And then to negate as well in logic circuits. This is a not circuit or a not node. Okay, so to negate. Yes, he negated all knowledge that he was breaking the rules. When you take this drug, you shouldn't drink because it negates the effects of it. It makes them ineffective. It nullifies them. Okay, yes, he negated my claim. He said that it wasn't true. The investigation negated any influence by outside forces. Progress in this research has been negated by lack of money. It's the progress has been stopped. We haven't made any progress because there was a lack of money. It's negated it. I think some of the laws that have been introduced to combat COVID have negated various freedoms that we had before. To negate the need for something. If you've got a really good raincoat, it negates the need for an umbrella, or vice versa. If you've got an umbrella, it negates the need for a coat. To negate the effect of something, to counteract, to work in the opposite direction. So, good sunglasses negate the glare of the sun. They negate this effect. He was much faster than the other player, but this advantage was negated when he twisted his ankle. So he was much faster, but this was brought down to the same level as the other player because he was injured. Okay, so this is this idea of to negate. Yeah, negation in French, you negate a French verb by using ne pas, for example. Okay, so to deny the existence of, the research negated this. To nullify or make ineffective any progress. Yeah. And then to negate, just to make negative, to cause grammatically something to be negative. Okay, a regular verb as well. One thing negated the other thing negated a third factor. Formality, to negate. I would give this, I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. 6.5, 6. You could just about use it in an informal conversation, but it does sound a little bit formal and a little bit literary. So better for something semi-formal or formal. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin negatus, which is from the verb negare, to deny, to decline, to refuse, which itself comes from nec, aere, nec, not, and aere, to say. So not say, or says not. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To negate, a negation.